student of MA Applied Economics, 4th semester, Department Banking, Economics and Finance from Budelkhand University, Jhansi. Today we will discuss about manufacturing export-led growth. So first we will discuss about export-led growth. What is export-led growth? So export-led growth occurs when a country seeks economic development by engaging in international trade, and export-led growth postulates that export expansion is one of the main determinants of growth. It holds that the overall growth of countries can be generated not only by increasing the amounts of labor and capital within the economy but also by expanding exports. The export-led growth paradigms replace the import substitution industrialization paradigm. This is what many interpreted as a failing development strategy. Then, what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the process of transforming raw materials into finished goods through the use of tools, machines and labors. The manufacturing sector is crucial for the employment generation and the development of an economy. Now, growth rate of export in India. So, India's total export expanded to up till 0.4% YOY in February 2023 compared with the increase of 11.5% YOY. The growth rate in manufacturing production in India averaged 5.86% from 2006 until 2023, reaching an all-time high of 196.00% in April of 2021 and a record low of -66.60% in April of 2020. Now, India's output in manufacturing for year 2021 was $443.9 billion, a 21.6% increase from year 2020. Now, top exports of India are: first is refined petroleum, that is of $49 billion. Second is diamond, $26.3 billion. Third one is packaged medicines, $19.2 billion. Fourth one is jewelry, $10.7 billion. Another one is rice, that is of $10 billion. Mostly exporting areas where around the globe are United States, that is of $71.2 billion. Then UAE, United Arab Emirates, of $25.4 billion. Another one is China, that is $23.1 billion. Another one is Bangladesh, $14.1 billion, and Hong Kong, $11.2 billion. Now, in India, Tamil Nadu is the state with the largest number of factories in India, and top 5 subsectors of manufacturing in India are food products, basic metals, then rubber, then petrochemicals and chemicals, and the last one is electrical machinery. In India, the healthcare sector is vast, which is exported to touch $50 billion by the year 2025. China is the biggest exporter worldwide. It exports almost $3.36 trillion in 2023. India is the 5th largest manufacturer in the world. Success in economic development over the past half century was based on manufacturing export-led growth. Now we will see two major formulas for calculating manufacturing cost and cost per unit. For manufacturing cost, if we consider raw materials, plus labor cost, plus allocated manufacturing overhead. This is formula for manufacturing cost. Another one is for cost per unit. Cost per unit. We will calculate it by mentioning total fixed cost plus total variables over total units produced. I hope you will enjoy the session. Thank you.